In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your GCash account without a phone number. If you've lost your SIM, changed numbers, or no longer have access to the phone tied to your account, don't worry. You can still recover your GCash safely by going through the built-in support flow. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and, if possible, any valid ID nearby for verification. First, open the GCash app. Even if you can't log in normally, you can still access support from the app's front page. Look for the Help Center. Depending on your version, you might see a Help Center link or an option to chat with Gigi, which is GCash's support assistant. Either path will work for recovery. Inside the Help Center, find the section for reporting account access issues. Select Report Lost Number or SIM. When prompted, choose the option that best fits your situation, such as lost SIM, lost phone, or no longer have number. This tells the system that you need to recover access without your old mobile number. If you're not already there, tap Chat with Gigi. This will open an automated chat that guides you through the recovery steps. When the chat begins, clearly state that you can't access your registered number and want to recover your account. Follow the prompts to start the recovery request. The assistant will walk you to the next part of the process. Next, you'll be asked to create a support ticket. Fill out the requested details carefully and accurately, matching what's on your account. Provide only what the form asks for. Do not share your PIN, one-time passwords, or any sensitive codes in the chat or ticket. If asked for a contact method, provide one you can access now so you can receive updates. You'll then need to provide identity verification. Follow the instructions to submit a valid ID and, if prompted, a selfie that clearly shows your face. Make sure photos are well lit, not blurry, and that your ID details are readable. Double-check that the name and birth date you enter match your ID and your GCash account records to avoid delays. After submitting everything, wait for review. Processing times can vary, so keep an eye on your email and app notifications for updates from support. Avoid submitting multiple tickets for the same issue, as duplicates can slow things down. If support asks for clarifications, respond promptly through the channel they specify. That's it. Open the app, use the Help Center or chat with Gigi, report the lost number or SIM, start the recovery chat, create your support ticket, complete identity verification, and wait for review. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to regaining access.